welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for the Panner's Pan. This was created by Liz, aka Cookie Pants, on Instagram. It is all about paying homage to the panning community and the panners within it. And we started with 10 project panners, and we were to pick a product to relate to that panner. It doesn't matter if it makes any sense to anyone else, as long as it makes sense to you. It is all good. So as you finish that product for that panner or reach your goal or whatever, you roll it out, then you roll in a new panner and a new product. I've been doing this for a hot minute. It started on September 1st of 2020, and so far I have finished 20 products. Not too shabby, and I'm happy to say that I have finished 2 more. So I will be rolling out 2 panners and rolling in 2 new panners. And I'm just going to go in the order in which they were brought in, and then as I get to the empties I will show those, and so on and so forth. At the very end I will tell you which 2 panners I'm bringing in and which products I'm bringing in for them. Alright, starting with my girl Dana. She is my girl. I'm going to be sad when she is finally rolled out because, you know, it's like she's my girl. I talk to her every day, and she keeps me on my toes as far as panning. She really keeps me in line some days. For her, I have the Urban Decay Vice Special Effects and Regulate. It is a lip topper. It looks empty. It does look empty, I know. See? But it's not. And here's why. And a lot of you have commented on this in another video. I use this as the base for my next cream eyeshadow, I guess you could call it. So it was like silver and glittery. It was really pretty, but I just wanted to jazz it up a little bit. So I put some pink and a little bit of blue in there so that it made a really pretty purple. And I've been wearing it on my eyes. I've actually worn it on my lips. And when this is done, then this is officially done. So I do believe it is probably going to be done before the end of the year because, like I said, I'm multitasking the heck out of it. Let me turn my computer down as texts come in. Ironically, that was Dana texting me. But, yeah, I'm going to be sad when that one's done. All right, moving on to my other girl, Nona. I really should talk to her more often. I should just give her my phone number so we can text like me and Dana do. This is from ColourPop Honey. This is Palooza. It is an eye glitter. I think I've only used it once or twice since the last update. I don't know if I can finish this by the end of the year. I originally had wanted to, but I just don't know if it's going to get done. We'll find out. I've been doing a lot of like black. I'm trying to use up this black eyeshadow. I might just slap some glitter over it one day when I'm black all over like this. So maybe that will be a good way to hide some of the black. And yes, my dog just keeps going back and forth because he knows Daddy's on his way home. He's just waiting for his daddy to come home. So if you hear him start barking, you will know that my husband is home. All right, going on to Emily and Max. She is trying to use up all of her non-cruelty-free products in her collection so that she only has cruelty-free stuff. So I chose a non-cruelty-free product to try to use up to get out of my collection. This is the Exuviance Performance Peel. Started with 13 peels in there. I have used 1 and I am down to just 2 of 13. So don't know if it'll be done by the next update, but you never know. You just never know. All right, moving on to, of course, these ladies have to be together. You know, it is my girl, Steph Lyons and Dylan. I have, because they are the creators of Partners in Cream, I have 2 cream products. It is the Bff Cream Gel Liners from ColourPop, and let's see, Steph, I have Electric Daisy, and Dylan, I have Prance. And you can see I've made a huge difference on Prance. I have used that quite a bit, not as much on Electric Daisy this time. So I think for December, I'm going to have to really focus on Electric Daisy to get them even again, because I roll them in together. I kind of want to roll them out together. They just belong together in my world. I know, I'm crazy. I'm crazy. All right, moving on to Victoria, another person that I hold dearly. She sent me some OPI nail polishes a while back, And my goal is to use each of these 3 times. I have not used the blue at all yet because I've been trying to finish a blue polish in my Project Polish. So hopefully I will get some good use in this next month on that. For the orange, I have used it 1 time. And this one, the pinky purple one, this one I have used 2 times. I have a feeling this is definitely going to get its use next month. And, well, it's this month when you're watching this because I'm actually filming this the last day of November. But, you know, for December, I have a feeling it's going to get its last use on it. I'm going to attempt to get usage on all of these. At least 1 on the blue I would like to have, and at least another 1 on the orange. So we will see how that goes. All right, and let's see. For Jaylon, since she created the Child of the 80s Project Pan, if I can speak, which is coming back next year, bigger and better. I just kind of did a random number draw on that. I got number 15, which is Princess Bride, and that's an item that you love. I absolutely love leave-in conditioner for my hair. I have extremely dry, thick, wavy to curly hair, and it's got to have leave-in. And I love Shea Moisture products. So this is the Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisture Detangler from Shea Moisture, and you can see I was here last time and here this time. So, hi Fuzz. Hi, baby boy. How's my happy puppy? He came to visit. How ironic that he would come to visit for, like, when I'm doing Jaylon, since her kitties always visit her when she's filming. Now he's just going to sit right here next to me. That's okay. We love him. All right, for Mari, she is Patriot Makeup. She created the Show Your Sparkle Project Pan, and I chose something that was very sparkly. It is a ColourPop Glitter Gel. And also, it's appropriate for her because she is trying to only purchase makeup that is made in the USA. ColourPop is definitely made in the USA. This is After Party. I've used this once or twice since I brought it in last month. So, happy to have some work on that one. It's going to be in here a while. Hi, pretty puppy. You just want to hang with your mommy, don't you? Yes, he does. All right. So, oh, I missed my 2 empties. Oops, because I color code and I just completely went right past them. Are you trying to get stuff on my desk? Now he's sniffing at my shoes. So I missed my 2 empties. Amber F is the first one. I had Urban Decay Naked 2 Teas, obviously depotted. Please don't eat my makeup. Please don't eat my makeup. Thank you, sir. Thank you. No. He is going to just be a misbehavior. So Urban Decay Naked 2 Teas for Amber F. I have finished it. I used it, multitasked a lot of it. I used it on my eyes, my eyebrows. I used it as a liner. I used it sometimes to contour. Not a lot to contour, but I did use it a lot in my eyebrows. So that one is finally done. He is just going to mess with everything. You are going to mess with everything. So that one is done and rolling out. Dude, you sound like an obscene phone caller with that heavy breathing. Sit. Sit. Thank you, sir. All right, sorry about that. And for Rebecca, she was panning and stuff, and now she's just got her name. Hey. He is a hot mess. I had this potted lipstick from the Jane Iredale palette. It is now done. I struggled for a while to use this because I do not like potted lip stuff, but it is done. I did melt it down into a, like an empty lip balm tube. That is done, and I have since melted something else into that lip balm tube, so that one is done. Dude, seriously, you kind of like, you're putting dog hair everywhere, doggy snot and spit. Sounds gross, doesn't it, as I'm touching my stuff. All right, behave. All right, I'm bringing 2 new people in. So distracted by puppy. It's like a squirrel. All right, for my first person that I'm rolling in, that is going to be Misty. Of course, she's going to be listed down below, as well as everyone else that I've mentioned today. She created That's Expensive Project Pan. And we have a little something going with a few other people for next year, which you guys will you'll find out about soon enough. But for Misty, because she created that project, that's expensive project pan, I picked a really, really expensive skincare for her. This is the Eve Lom cleanser. It is like a cleansing balm. It is delish. This is what it looks like. I love the smell. And yes, Danny, if you're watching this, it does kind of remind me of cider, like the spices in cider. I kind of agree with you. My goal is going to be to finish this, and let's see, how much was this? $80. $80 for this thing. I think it's going to last me for a long time, but it is insanely expensive. So that is for Misty. And for April, who you know as Ruby Rouge, she is a skincare girl, much like myself. I love skincare products, and she seems to be quite the skincare fanatic as well. So I chose a skincare product for her. For that, I have chosen the Strivectin Advanced Hydration Hyaluronic Trip Peptide. It's for the triple peptide. They're trying to play on words there. And this is a gel cream for your eyes. So it's kind of like that happy medium of a moisturizer and a gel, which I definitely prefer like the gel type stuff. But this one is really nice. I have tried it once. That's what it looks like. It's literally a cream swirled with a gel. And it's really lightweight, which I like. So I'm putting this in here for this project for April, aka Ruby Rouge, because of her love of skincare. So these are my two roll-ins, and again, I will have those beautiful ladies linked down below. Wow, I need words. I need words. It's getting late. Oh, I'm going to wrap this up. I really am. If you have anyone that you want me to check out, please let me know down in the comments. I am trying to watch other people's updates for this so I can discover new project panners every time I watch something. I love to discover new panners. So, you know, let me know down in the comments who you think I should be watching. And I would love it if you would check out some of the people that I mentioned today and maybe discover someone you haven't already been watching. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.